Hi, now that you have Print Friendly and PDF stored on your extensions, I want to show you how to use it. Once you've pulled up something on the internet that you want to share with your students, but you also just don't want them to have all the extra and you don't want to waste the ink and all of that, this is a great app for doing that. So on your extension kind of browser here, click on it and it will show you all the words from this web page without the pictures and some of that. Now, if you do get a picture, of course, you can always delete it as well. The beauty of Print Friendly is that I can start removing pieces of this document that I don't want or don't need so that it really minimizes it to the bare minimum of what I do want to print. Now, if I went too far and I said, oops, I want to keep these definitions at the top, I can always go back to that undo button and I can keep going. So it'll still do everything and put it back. If you're like, oops, I need to completely start over, again, you could just X out of it, click that extension, and it will pull up the new as is article. So again, this allows me to get rid of things that I don't want, especially if I'm going to print it for my students to write on it in class and I just want them to have a little bit of the article. This is great for a jigsaw method. And what I'm doing is I am basically cutting out the pieces so that it minimizes my copies down to just the bare bones. I've already done belief 1, so I'm kind of trying to work on belief 2 for my next group for the jigsaw. So I'm getting rid of all that. And again, you can just take your time getting through it. All those names, I'll definitely make sure to give credit to those authors, as well as the original website, of course. So I give credit to it. Now, if I feel like I've got what I need, I've got my introduction, what I want them to see, and I see Belief 2 here, I'm going to go ahead and click Print. This will allow me to have a print preview so that I can see kind of how it falls on the page. I can select and say, oh yeah, I don't need those extra pieces. So from here, I could say Cancel. And then I can click X out of there and I can keep working on it and go, yeah, let's get rid of some of this. And I'm getting to Belief 3, which is perfect. And so from here, I can go again back to that print button to preview what is actually going to show up on the page. And so that's all I want for Belief 2 group. So for 3, I'm going to get rid of this. And then, of course, that's all I have. And then I have a 2-pager front and back, and it's going to print instead of having 5 pages. So this is a wonderful tool to cut down the extra, give your students just what you want. And of course, you could just save it as a PDF if you wanted to add it to like a Google Classroom or Canvas platform, for example. Thanks for watching.